Welcome everyone, welcome to today's video. This channel is all about entrepreneurship, small business growth, and using social media for business. Our second video of the week features our small business for Small Business Saturday. So today's video is going to feature Flavor of Amya. I absolutely love her products. She does I guess natural oils and natural butters for the hair. I use her oil, which is certified, put a stamp on it, by my Loctition, who is one of the best in the world. Okay. But yes, so just to show her products and to show you that I really do use them. This is the Chebe hair resurrection oil. It repairs damaged hair, it strengthens and brings the hair back to life. This is awesome for locks because it is mostly a watery based substance. So my Loctician said that was definitely awesome, you guys. But she has so many other products that you can use. Definitely go check her out and support a small business owner. If you have locks, they have so many products in the stores that aren't really actually for locks, or they don't really help. When I mean this helps with itching, okay, it helps with the dryness. Mostly I don't even use it until my hair starts itching, and I don't use anything else on my hair. I have tried a couple of products, but they didn't really work. So what I normally do is put this on my hair at night. It smells really good. I put a scarf on and my bonnet, and by the morning my itch is gone. And if I have an itch during the day, I still put this on there, but most of the time I put it on at night. I really feel like it helps just seal everything in once I put my scarf and everything on. So yes, feel free to go check her out. Support a small business, you guys. You need this in your life. Even if you don't have locks, go check out her natural oils and hair butters because it's a game changer. Okay, that is today's video, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this channel is all about small business, entrepreneurship, and using social media for business. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.